So yesterday we learned about exercise 1.3. In exercise 1.3, first Roman we are completed. Now second question, see. Rewrite each of the following numerals with proper commas in the International System of Numeration and write the numbers in word form. Okay. So what you should write? Rewrite each of the following numerals with proper commas in the International System and write in the word form. Okay. So write what is the given number? Given number is 717858. Now we should keep the commas for this number 717858. In international system, where you should keep the commas for every three numbers from right side to left side, you should keep the commas. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now read this number 717,858. Okay. Now write in words. 700 858. 717,858. Did you understand, children, how to write? First you should write the number, given number, and then you should keep the commas in international system and write in number one. Okay, 717,858. Come on, write. Now, what is the given number here? Given number is 956237676. Now you should keep the commas in international system. 956237676. 1, 2, 3. Keep the comma. 1, 2, 3. Keep the comma. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now read this number 956,237,676. Okay, ma'am. Now write in words. Nine hundred $56 million $237,676. 676. So 956,237,676. Okay, ma'am? Right. So in the second Roman, what I told, first and fourth sums I told, you can do second and third homework. I will send the pic to you. You can do the homework like this. Okay, ma'am? Come on, do. Okay. Next, let's see third question. Write the following number names in both Indian and international systems. Okay. In the third, I will see here three problems are there. First and second, you can do homework. I will tell now third sum. Okay. What is the number given? So given number is 8560707236. This is the given number. Now you should write that number names in both Indian and international system. First you should write in Indian system. Indian system. Write that number 8560707236. Okay. So in Indian system, where you should keep the commas from right side to left side, first 3, after you should keep the comma, and next every two digits you should keep the commas. 1, 2, 3, keep the comma. Next 1, 2, keep the comma. 1, 2, keep the comma. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now read this number. 856 crores 7 lakhs 7,236. Write the number name. 856 crores 7 lakhs 7,236. 236. 856 crores 7 lakhs 7,236. Now another one is international system. International system. Write the number again. 85607072336. In international system, from every 3 digits you should keep the comma from right side to left side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now read this number. This is ones period, thousands period, and next millions period, billions period. Read 8,560,707,236. 8 billion 560 millions 707 7,236. 236. Okay, children, this is the Indian system and this is the international system. Okay, right? You can do homework 1 and 2 sums. Okay, third one you can do now. Next is children, fourth question. Express the following numbers in other system. See here, Indian system and international system given. Here the number is in Indian system given 42,56,876. Now you should write the same number as it is here, and you should keep the commas in international system. Did you understand, children? What is the homework? And like here, international system given, you should write the same number as it is in Indian system and keep the commas in Indian system. Like that, here Indian system given, you should write the same number here and keep the commas in international system. And here international system number given, you should write same number in Indian system and keep the commas in Indian system. That is a homework for you. Okay, children? Now write the fifth question. who are not having textbook, I will send the pic in your group. Please do the homework and send it to my WhatsApp number. Fifth Roman, write the following numbers. Write the following numbers in international system. First one is 29 crore, 29 crore, 35 lakh, 35 lakh, 46,000, 46,700, 753. 753. So what is the question given here? Write the following numbers in international system. Here what is the number name given? In Indian system given. You should write the number in international system. Don't write number name. Just write the number. Okay. So what is the number? 29 crores, 35 lakhs, 46,753. 753. Now keep the commas in international system. In international system, you should count 3 digits and keep the point from right side to left side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what is the number is 293,546,753. Did you understand, children? Like that you can do second sum, do homework. Okay, ma? Come on, right. Write the number name also, this one. 93,546,753. 753. Okay, ma? Right. Like that you can do second sum homework. Okay, children, this is today's class. We'll continue tomorrow, children. Goodbye. Have a nice day.